Hello students, and welcome to the online classes of St. Joseph English Medium School. Today I will be taking English grammar of standard 2nd. आप सब घर पे सब अच्छे हो, मस्ती कर ली खूब. Now it's study time. Let us start with the studies. Now today we will be studying about the sentence. कि sentence क्या है? What is the formation of sentence? How do we form a sentence? हम sentence कैसे बनाते हैं? Like, read the following group of words. First you will read the following group of words. First is the cat. Second is Aman and Bhuvan. Third is Riya. Now do you find these group of words making any complete sense? Are you finding it complete? Are they giving you any meaning? Are you finding any meaning in it? No. The cat can be anything. Like the cat is, we can write to form a sentence, to form the complete sense, we have to write in front of it like the cat is sitting. When we write the cat is sitting, then it becomes a complete sense. Now you are finding it complete. First we had written only the cat. The cat is nothing, it's only a cat. It's not giving you any meaning. Now when we have written the cat is sitting, then it becomes a complete sense. Now it has become the full sentence, complete sentence. Same Aman and Bhuvan. What is Aman and Bhuvan? They can be friends, they can be studying, they can be students, whatever you want to say, you can say. But with Aman and Bhuvan, we cannot find it out what is the sentence about them. So, Aman and Bhuvan are good friends. Good friends. Now, when we have written are good friends, then it will become the complete sense. Aman and Bhuvan are good friends. Same. Third one is Riya is. Now you are not finding any sense in it. You are not finding it any meaning in this. Now Riya is eating. Riya is eating. Then it becomes a complete sentence. So when the sentence means anything that makes a complete sense. Now there are some important rules about the sentence. How do we come to know what the sentence is? Then first rule of the sentence is every sentence begins with the capital letter. Means whenever we are starting the sentence, it should always start with a capital letter. For example, first I will not write in the capital letter. The dog drinks milk. This is the complete sentence, but we will not consider it as a complete sense because the starting word is not starting with the capital letter. It's starting with the small letter. So in order to make it a complete sense, we will start with the capital letter. The dog drinks milk. Now it has become the complete sentence. Now second rule, what is the second rule of the sentence? About the sentence, every sentence has a verb. There you will find a verb in every sentence. Then third, every sentence ends with a full stop or a question mark or an exclamation mark. Like here I have written the sentence, the dog drinks milk. I have not put a full stop after that. मैंने full stop नहीं लगाया है ना, क्यों? क्योंकि ये एक complete sentence नहीं था. अब मैंने यहाँ पे I have written started with the capital letter. Here I have after the sentence I have put a full stop. So the sentence always starts with a capital letter and it always ends with a full stop, या फिर क्वेश्चन मार्क से फुल एंड होता है, या फिर एक्सक्लेमेशन मार्क से एंड होता है. ओके, देन ऑर्डर ऑफ वर्ड्स इज ऑल्सो इम्पॉर्टेंट इन द सेंटेंस. ऑर्डर ऑफ वर्ड्स मतलब क्या होता है? व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय ऑर्डर ऑफ वर्ड्स? लाइक यहाँ पे लिख रखा है द डॉग ड्रिंक्स मिल्क. अब अगर मैं इसको ऐसे लिखती, डॉग मिल्क drinks the. Now this is not making any sense, isn't it? This is the jumbled sentence. Now you have to make it in the proper sentence. You have to convert it in the proper sentence. अब हमने बोला dog milk drinks the, ये कोई sentence बन रहा है? नहीं बन रहा है ना. तो हम इसको कैसे करेक्ट करेंगे? We will correct it. The dog drinks milk. One more example I would like to give you. One more example is to play. I football like. Now are you finding it correct? No. Why? Because this is not sounding correctly. We cannot find any meaning in this. To play I football like. Now can you correct it? Can you write in the proper form? What will be the proper form of this sentence? The proper form will be, first we will start with the capital letter. I like to play football. You all like to play, don't you? Then it ends with the full stop. Everyone likes to play. Here the student, it is saying I like to play football. Now each group of words follow all rules of a sentence and conveys a proper meaning. मतलब जब तक सेंटेंस कोई सेंस नहीं बताएगा तब तक हम उसको सेंटेंस नहीं बोल सकते. इट कन्वेज द कंप्लीट सेंस. ओके, सो टुडे वी हैव स्टडीड अबाउट द सेंटेंस, व्हाट इज द सेंटेंस and what are the rules of the sentence and order. Sentence should be written in the proper order. Thank you.